Most YouTube creators believe that their work is finished the moment they hit the publish button. However, if you're not optimizing the upload process, you're leaving your video views, your subscribers, and even money on your table. YouTube doesn't reward hope. It rewards signal. And those signals are created by deliberate actions taken before and after uploading your video. So today, my friends, I'm breaking down 11 essential actions that you should do before and after uploading every video to your channel. These are the exact steps that every successful creators mostly apply. The first step happens before publishing your video. Yes, that is optimizing your video's file name. Uploading files named something like that of my file, my video file, my last video, etc. wastes your opportunity. So you are expected to rename your video file to match your title exactly. It takes a fraction of seconds, but it gives YouTube an extra context about your content. Next comes your title. A strong title does three things. Yes, it includes searchable keyword, it creates curiosity, and it exactly represents your video. So titles that are vague kills your video click. So test variations if performance is weak. Your description is one of the most underused growth tool on YouTube. Yes, start with a keyword-rich paragraph that clearly explains the value of the video while building curiosity. So this helps both the algorithm and your video viewers to understand why the video matters. After that opening paragraph, you are expected to use strategic links. First, link to a long form video on your channel to increase session time. This structure keeps your viewers on YouTube longer through your content, which the YouTube rewards more. Next comes the playlist. Playlists are another overlooked growth strategy on the YouTube. Yes, every video should belong to a relevant playlist. So playlists can connect your content. It increases session time and automatically pushes your viewers from one video to your next video, multiplying the watch time without extra effort. Your thumbnail can also make or break your videos. Yes, a great video with a weak thumbnail will fail every time. So create multiple thumbnail variations, model what already works, and use the YouTube's A or B testing to let the data choose the winner. So never guess, rather test. Tags still matter in 2026, especially for small creators. Yes, use a mix of your full title as a tags, specific topic related tags, and broader channel wide tags. So this helps the YouTube understand who your content is for and connect your videos together. End screens and cards exist for one reason, that is to keep your viewers watching. So always send viewers to your another video, ideally to the long one. So plan a verbal call to action inside your content and visually guide viewers to click your another video. Before publishing, upload your video as private or make them unlisted and complete all optimization steps first. This gives the YouTube time to process your metadata fully. Once everything is in place and checks are complete, then hit that publish button. After publishing, watch your video quickly to catch mistakes, missing cards, or errors. Then link shorts to your long video content using related video features in your short videos. So shorts are a powerful traffic sources. You are expected to use them, drive deeper to watch time. Finally, you are expected to engage with your community. Reply to comments with open-ended questions, not one words. This increases engagement. It keeps your channel top of mind and bring viewers back. Yes, this system takes effort, and that is exactly why it works for most YouTubers. Most creators won't do it. If you do, you immediately separate yourself from the big ones. Now it's your turn. Stop leaving growth to chance and start following a proven steps. Apply even a few of these steps after your next upload and watch your channel started working for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe my channel for more tips, and don't forget to click all notification bell so that you will never miss a growth hack. Your next viral video is just one upload away. Have a nice time and see you next.